I remember the first time I opened up the AWS console and I saw all the services that Amazon offers. It was a little daunting and it was a little confusing at first to get a handle on, well, where do you start? So let's talk a little bit about where you start, or as SQL Server DBAs, where do we start? So let's start by talking about the two ways that we can use SQL Server inside of AWS. The first choice is to run Amazon's compute platform called EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud. Each EC2 instance is basically a virtual server, much like your VMware servers running in your enterprise network. With the EC2 service, you can spin up a Windows server in the AWS cloud in a matter of minutes. Well, like 15 minutes. So the second option we have is to use the RDS service. And this is the relational database service, which is managed. Now, what exactly does that mean? So when we say managed, it means you don't have to do the install yourself. It's already done. You specify a few parameters in the wizard, and the server instance is created behind the scenes. With the managed service, AWS takes care of the underlying storage, patching and maintenance, failover backups, etc. However, one of the drawbacks to all this is you don't have remote access into that box. And a lot of the things that we take for granted are restricted. So typically the only access we have to that box is through Management Studio.